Brave has a feature that most of its own users do not know exists. It lets you sign up on any website without ever revealing your real email address. And it takes 2 minutes to set up. To access this, you need Brave browser installed on your device. Open Brave browser and type this URL directly into the address bar. You will land on Brave's experimental features page. Once you are there, type email alias in the search bar at the top. The feature will appear immediately. From the drop-down, select the enable option. After that, you have to relaunch the browser. Now, open Brave settings and search for email alias inside the settings search bar. A new option has appeared that was not there before. Tap on Enter Registration Code. Then tap Create a Brave account. Now enter your real email address and a password. Brave sends a verification code to that address. Go grab it, enter it, and your account is confirmed. Tap on Create Alias button. Now you can use this email address to sign up on any website. I just created an account without giving them my real email address. And the moment they start spamming you, delete the email alias and they can never reach you again. To explore more email alias tools, watch the video currently shown on your screen.